it was battered and scarred, and the auctioneer found it was hardly worth his while to waste much time on the old violin. But he held it up with a smile. Well, it sure ain't much, but it's all we got left. I guess we ought to sell it too. So who'll start the bid on this old violin? Just one more, we'll be through. And then he cried, one, give me $1. Who'll make it two? Only $2. Who'll make it three? $3 twice. Now that's a good price. But who's got a bid for me? Raise up your hands, don't wait any longer. The auction's about to end. Who's got just $1 more to bid on this old violin? Well, the air was hot and the people gathered round. The sun was setting low. From the back of the crowd, a gray-haired man came forward and picked up the bow. He wiped the dust from the old violin and tightened up the strings and played out a melody pure and sweet, sweeter than the angels sing. When the music stopped, the auctioneer, with a voice that was quiet and low, said, what is my bid for this old violin? And held it up with a bow. Then he cried out, one, give me $1,000. Who'll make it two? Only $2,000. Who'll make it three? $3,000 twice. Now that's a good price. But who's got a bid for me? And the people cried out, what made the change? We don't understand. And the auctioneer stopped and said with a smile, it was the touch of the master's hand. Now you know many men with their life out of tune is battered and scarred from sin, and they're auctioned cheap to a thankless world, much like that old violin. Then the master comes from the foolish crowd, and they never understand the worth of a soul and the change that is wrought just by one touch of the master's hand. Then they cried out, one, give me $1,000. Who'll make it two? Only $2,000. Who'll make it three? $3,000 twice. Now that's a good price. But who's got a bid for me? And the people cried out, what made you change? We don't understand. And the auctioneer stopped and said with a smile, it was the touch. It was the touch. It was the touch of the master.